What's up, YouTube? It is the Flippin' Picker, and I am coming at you with a very quick video. I just wanted to share a brief story. This is involving the setup of my new Picker's lair. I was at Bed Bath & Beyond with the future missus yesterday, and I was looking at clothing racks. I'd really like to put a clothing rack up here in the room. They were like $70, and honestly, with the move, that's just more than I'm willing to spend. So I skipped it, and I was messing around in the garage tonight, and I realized that I probably could make one. The old tenants left some stuff here that the landlord didn't bother to clean out, so it became my problem. And I'm still a little bitter about that, but fear not, because I picked some old pieces, slats to a bed frame and a shower curtain, and I'm going to show you a quick time-lapse video of me lurking in the garage, and then I will show you the final product. Enjoy. Okay, guys, so there she is. See a little inventory there in the background. This is the picked and flipped free DIY clothing rack, which is fitting for the very, very beginning stages of the Picker's lair. So as you can see, it's still got these, I don't know, they're like cloth straps or something that, you know, they go on a bed frame. Basically, those things attach the slats on a bed frame together, and these slats here are what you would end up putting your mattress on. So I hacked one of them in half to make these little cross pieces. Got this bad boy all put together. Drilled a couple holes up here at either side for the shower curtain rod to go through. I know the shower curtain rod's a little bit funky looking, but anyway, guys, it's a free start for me. Saved myself $70. You know, and it's not going to be forever, but it works for right now. As you can see, it does work. You know, I'm putting a fair amount of pressure on it, and it's not going too well. But in my typical not thinking things completely through fashion, as you can see in that time lapse, I did get it completely built. I got it up 2 flights of stairs until I reached the infamous porthole. So I did have to dismantle it, carry it up piece by piece, and remantle it. I guess that's a word. So in any case, that's what we're looking at. I'm going to find a good spot for it. Just a quick update on the rest of the room. I did get my desk moved up. Got some shelves over here. I'm working on like a little photo area. That is not going to be it. But I was kind of just playing around with some lighting schemes. I put a white bulb in that wall mount light. I'm going to probably do a little platform to raise up the mannequin and whatnot. So that's the idea, but it's certainly not the final product. Oh, another thing. I went out and bought myself a laser printer, just a black and white. My other inkjet kind of took a little bit of a dive on me, and I said, screw it. And I went out and grabbed myself a nice laser printer. Makes my label printing a ton easier. And as a matter of fact, as you can see in here, which I'll go through on another video, I'm wrestling with my first FBA shipment as well. So lots of things going on, guys. But I wanted to share that with you real quick. Pretty proud of myself here in this rack. Took me about 15 minutes to throw it together. And it's sturdy enough, so I'll be able to pull a lot of, I have some like sport coats and stuff in that big bin there. It's bigger in real life. So I'll be able to hang them up and it'll just be easier to pick them and ship them and all of that. So anyway, guys, like I said, quick video. Thanks for checking in. Give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. Hit the little bell for notifications when I post a new one. I've been working on some outlines for a couple more videos coming up, so I'm looking forward to bringing those to you. So as always, guys, keep on picking and keep on flipping. I am the Flippin' Picker, and I'm signing out.